TikTok didn't just settle for being a video platform. It is now transforming the way we buy and sell online. Beating Meta's attempts at Facebook and Instagram shopping, TikTok is becoming a favorite way for younger users to shop because of its ease, speed, and visibility. First, what is TikTok shopping? It's a feature that allows brands and creators to sell directly from the platform. Imagine having a shopping tab on your profile where users can browse and buy your products in an instant without leaving the platform. It's a feature you need to be aware of as a user, content creator, influencer, and brand. There are 3 ways to sell. 1. Shoppable live stream. Just like YouTube Shorts, you can tag a product you are using in the live stream for your customers to buy it in real time and without leaving the app. This is a great tool for sellers and not so good for users as it encourages impulse purchases as they have less time to consider the purchase. 2. Shoppable videos. It allows you to tag your products in your videos. Just like in live videos, users can buy the products at that moment easily and quickly. 3. Product showcase. This is a tab on your profile where users can export your products through a catalog that you add yourself. The best thing is that they do not require a minimum number of followers to add this tab and start selling, so it's an opportunity for all brands, big or small. In addition, not only brands with their own products can have this tab, but also influencers, content creators, and marketing companies can access this feature to sell third-party products. TikTokers receive a commission when a user buys a product through their account, giving them the possibility to generate more revenue. TikTok partnered with Shopify at the end of 2021, so the stores are made through Shopify. The best thing is that if you already have a Shopify account, you simply connect it with your TikTok Shop account and all your assets will be connected. It is important to note that TikTok Shop is not the same as TikTok Showcase. Since you can only have Showcase, link it to the TikTok Shop of the brand you are going to sell and choose the products you want to display in your account. Keep in mind that third parties do not own the products being sold, but sell them on behalf of the brand. Also, each TikTok Shop can have many TikTok partner accounts participating in the partner plan. So, if you are a brand without much knowledge in this platform, you can hire influencers to promote your items in their lives, reels, and add you in their showcase. Now, how do you start selling? It's very easy. To access TikTok Shop as a seller, you will need to create a TikTok sales account and have the account approved. To create the account, you must go to TikTok Seller Center and click on Sign Up. You can choose to log in with a TikTok, email, or mobile account. Then select the type of business and click Next. Fill in all your information. Once your account is approved, you will be able to access the TikTok Shop and start selling. What about the requirements? As I mentioned, there is no minimum number of followers requirement. Anyone can create their TikTok Shop. Also, creating it is completely free. There is no initial cost. What there is transactions fees and shipping fees. However, the commission charged by TikTok is less than other platforms, usually 5%. Nevertheless, it varies depending on the category of the product, so it could be even less. On the other hand, Amazon charges you between 8 and 15% for each purchase made. This is another reason why TikTok is becoming the favorite platform for sellers in Asia, where TikTok Shop has been available for a long time. However, in America, it is also growing, and it is a good time to consider this platform. Some tips if you are thinking of selling through this social network are eye-catching products. Focus on making your products visually appealing. It is important that they look good on camera and attract attention. Remember that TikTok is flooded with videos, so you should always seek to stand out. Products with striking or strange appearance tend to get more sales. So, if you're just creating your product, make sure it has an eye-catching presentation. Affordability. Keep in mind the type of product you are going to sell, since the audience of this platform are mainly Gen Z, so they will not buy more expensive products, but more affordable ones like makeup or clothes. Follow the trends. Although it is not an essential requirement, remember that this platform focuses on trends, and if you follow them, you could increase your sales. An extra tip is to take advantage of this platform to do dropshipping. I won't elaborate here as it's a broad topic, but let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about this. And there you go. From how to create an account to the best tips for selling, now you're ready to make the most of TikTok shopping. What would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on my social channels if you want to keep getting tips on how to take your e-commerce to the next level. See you next time.